The capital of Uttarakhand is Answer, Dehradun. Geet Govind is a famous creation of Answer, Jayadev. Which of the following represent the finance commission that have been set up so far? Answer: 13. World Trade Organization came into existence in Answer: 1995. In which year did the cabinet mission arrived in India? Answer: 1946. Panchayati Raj comes under Answer: State list. When did the War of American Independence take place? Answer: 1776. Which of the following is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world? Answer: Pacific. The literacy rate of India is Answer: 65.38%. Which Indian state has the least literacy rate? Answer: Bihar. Which of the following is not a member of the European Union? Answer: Norway. ASEAN is headquartered at Answer: Jakarta. Currently, who is the Chief Minister of Goa, State of India? Answer: Prashant Sawant. In the World Boxing Championship 2017, who won India's first medal? Answer: Gaurav Bhiduri. Currently, who is the Chief Minister of Assam? Answer: Sarbananda Sonowal since 2016. Who is the current president of Bharatiya Janata Party? Answer: Amit Shah, Indian politician from Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of Lok Sabha? Answer: Snehlata Shrivastava. In 2017, which space agency sent 104 satellite in a single mission? Answer: ISRO. What is the India's GDP growth rate in 2017-to 18? Answer: 7.4%. When Cycling Federation of India was established? Answer: 1946. When the movie Rise released in India? Answer: 25 January 2017. When India's first cricket club was established? Answer: 1792 in Calcutta. When India's national football team was established? Answer: 1937. Who is the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Indian state? Answer: Pema Khandu since July 2016. Which bank changes its name and IFSC code for its many branches? Answer: SBI. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was? Answer: G.V. Mavalankar. Which of the following represent the number of nations of the non-aligned movement? Answer: 118. Mount Etna is a famous volcano located in? Answer: Italy. Reserve Bank of India is headquartered at? Answer: Mumbai. The person who was climbed Mount Everest the most dash 17 times dash is? Answer: Appa Sharpa. Which Indian state has maximum area under the forest cover? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. When the Earth Day observed the worldwide in 2017? Answer: April 22, 2017. India's which state became the first state to set up the district family welfare? Answer: Tripura. When Indian cricket team won the second World Cup? Answer: 2011. When Pradhan Mantri was Awas Yojana was launched in India? Answer: 20th November 2016. Who became the Vice President of India in 2017? Answer: Shri Venkatesh Naidu. Topographical map of India is approved by? Answer: Surveyor General of India. This country is known as the sugar ball of the world. Identified from the given option. Answer: Cuba. National Science Day is observed on answer February 28. Capital of East Timor is answer Dili. The first woman chief minister of an Indian state is answer Suchita Kripalani. Which is the third largest desert in the world? Answer Sahara Desert. What is the capital of Taiwan state in East Asia? Answer Taipei. What is the capital of South Korea? Answer Seoul. Which country launched its first large-scale electric car sharing program? Answer Singapore. SBI cuts minimum average balance from rupees 5,000 to answer 3,000. Who is the chief executive officer of Amazon? Answer Jeff Bezos. When was Ambedkar Jayanti celebrated in India? Answer 14th April. Who is the First Lady of the United States now? Answer Melania Trump. Where is Imperial Tower in India? Answer Mumbai. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon.